bajje baleko. Abantu bagamba muli mu kikadde g'oli mukadde kyokka gw'odda buto. Kati emyaka giweze emeka nga mukuze ekikadde abatuuze abalabi ba ABS bagala mumanyi?
Nsookedde okubeera mu tugende mu kikadde. Eno edition yankuna bagenze mu yankuna.
Abantu basuubira eki mu ggwe?
Basuubire Salmon original. Nyimba zange ze mwayagala ennyo era ngenaziimba nga bwe zaali. Engeri ate gye mbadde nnyo nga ndi mu live music, so ngenda kwongera mu bwongezi maanyi mbawe exactly quality gye baafuna luli gye bagenda kuddamu.
Kati kankubuza ekibuuzo, bw'osuubira kudda mu music industry oba just bw'owummula buwummuzi lwakuba tokyaleeta music?
Nze abamanyi bandi yange bagimanyi, bandi egenda kweza myaka 6.
Eweza 6 kyokka toleeta bupya kiki?
Kati Afro yasembayo okufulumiza olupya naye tekuba.
Waliwo akayimba kukenzijukira sooka otuwemu kavaasi katono nnyo. Kube kavaasi tuli kukwata kyona kyekino.
Simanyi kayimba ki abasinga baagala akayimba k'abakyala.
Sooka otuwemu kavaasi waliwo akakayimba akatukwata mu mpale.
Akabakyala baakabina.
Ak'abakyala.
Ebizibu by'omukazi bingi. Emigugu gya maama nga mingi. Nze ndi mukazi manyi sirikidde bingi. Kyogamba ebiseera ebyo waluyimbiramu wali olina ebizibu bingi oba jasi wayimbirako abakyala? Abayimba tuyimba just messages to represent nayo omuntu alinayo problem nagikubuulira nomurepresent
onyirira. Tubuulire emyaka kati oli ku emeka?
Ekyala ekibuuza ku TV
nanti mwe mukweka emyaka. Okyali mufumbo oba oli singo? Anti waliyo abasobola okwegwanyiza, waliwo abasobola okwegwanyiza nga bamanyi oli singo.
Yes, that's a good observation to start with you about the lineup of young people in the music since way back. Right? First of all, I'm a fan of your criticisms. They're quite positive throughout, even outside here. However, Mr. Wate, you may agree with me somehow that the old music that we speak of in Uganda is still living, but the people that perform that music, most of them are deceased. Okay? Most of them, Mr. Bate. Herman Basude is not here, Paul Job Kafelo is not here, Livingston Kasozi is not here, Eddie Wamara is not here, and yet these are the founding pillars of the music that we speak about. Jibe Katumba is not here anymore, but the music is there. Shall we let the music die? Or we can actually create a rendition of that and bring it to life. That's the reason we said, how best can we represent El Wamala in the absence that we can have him? Can Mr. Kabuye Semboga do a rendition of that? I take that as a very positive one. But most of the people that we call the founding fathers of music, Mr. Wate, you know this very well, are not here. Second, I'll bring this to your attention. The people that did all music, if you know, and I'm very certain you know, are very hard to cooperate with. We've tried to reach out to a few, and they're like, no, we don't want your things. You get it. And are you going to force someone really to show up to the occasion, Mr. Bate? No. So the best is, we're not saying that we are representing music that was sung in the 80s. No. We have artists that did songs that only lasted for a year. And I'm very certain that Mr. Bate, your counsel is good on this. That you understand Ugandan music can only last maximum a year. And the song is gone. But shall we forget about those people? Because we will hype a song and it goes off. So in the absence that we can't reach the people that passed on, we need to create a reunion. Second, until people realize that, oh, Faye Nasolo has showed up, so I think there is no harm in showing up. Mukulu Sebata showed up, oh, there is no harm in showing up. But again, Tugelemu Chikade as a brand cannot be built on one individual. If we decided to create band music, you know, the only standing band, Africa. I'll tell you personally, we had issues trying to just get the old Golden Band and Eagles Band together to just do the show. Ego came in, other factors came in. So in the meantime that the brand cannot wait for other people to show up, those that have pledged support and show up like Zara Zawede, Faye Nasolo, Rastaro will probably pave an example to the rest that there is no harm in showing up and celebrating that music. I hope I've answered you, Mr. Wadi.
Not very much, but it's okay.
I hope I will still look for you and
It's okay.
hey, thank you very much. Then Raniel, you said from Vision Steel that the red carpet was nice, however it was boring, people were just laying and taking pictures. Just to correct you, the last edition we had a band playing at the red carpet. So I am wondering which edition of Chikade you were, or you wanted someone that was supposed to be playing music of Banabo. Yes, we had a band, a local band. They had their bicycles and their instruments. They played all night long, honestly. And I think they only stopped at the point when the show had started. But just to take your consideration, we appreciate that. And like I said, people normally show up at 4, 5, and they are bored. They don't want to sit inside because the show hasn't yet begun. So we're mounting a gun